Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur's spiritual master, Srila Radharaman Chakravarti, he instructed Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur to come back to Devagram. Why? Because he was not convinced that Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is exalted enough to give up his family life and stay in Vrindavan. So he thought of putting him to a test. He instructed Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur to spend one whole night with his wife Vibha, who was waiting all through for him. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, as we discussed, was married to Vibha as a child, but then because he was so renounced, there was no dealing between the two. Taking the instruction of his spiritual master on the top of his head, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur decided to spend one whole night with Vibha. As the sun set, he entered the room and he sat next to Vibha on the same bed. But what was Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur going to do? As the moon rose and the night began, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur picked up his Srimad Bhagavatam and gave a class all through the night, and Vibha was listening. And after all that reading and hearing, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, along with his wife, chanted the holy name all through the night. And when it was dawn or sunrise, they stopped chanting. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur got out of bed and went and told his spiritual master, "You ordered me to spend a night, I spent a night with my wife." Radharaman Chakravarti asked Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, "What did you do with your wife?" Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur told him all that happened. Radharaman Chakravarti wanted to see how renounced Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is. The sexual impulse or the attachment to the opposite sex is the biggest impediment on the path of bhakti. Very difficult to overcome. So Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur told his spiritual master that I chanted all through the night and we read the Srimad Bhagavatam together. And Radharaman Chakravarti smiled and was convinced that Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has deep love and faith in the words of Sri Krishna. So he said, "Okay, no problem, I won't push you into your marriage. You may serve the words of Sri Krishna." So the first instruction that Radharaman Chakravarti gave Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur was something very difficult. That was a time when there was no printing press, no Xerox or scan machines, and Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur was given this instruction of writing down all the 18,000 verses of Srimad Bhagavatam manually on palm leaves. And Vishwanath Chakravarti took this as the greatest pleasurable service to his spiritual master. He used to sit out in the open and used to copy down from the work of his guru onto the palm leaves. And because of his absorption and how engrossed he was in his service, there was something very mystical that happened. During the hot summer, people saw that it was hot everywhere, but there was a cool shade on the top of Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, who used to sit and write the Srimad Bhagavatam. When it was very cold, there was sun shining just on the top of Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur to keep him warm. Also, there was a point when there was thunderstorm and it was showers and showers of rainfall, and not a single piece of Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur's work got wet, because wherever Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur was writing, only that portion was completely protected and covered. There were many big people who saw this and they were astonished. And there was one big zamindar who saw this and he surrendered his very life at the feet of Vishwanath Chakravarti because he understood his exalted position. Similarly, there was a great Brahmin by the name Jagannath. Therefore, he was called as Jagannath Vipra. He also surrendered as a disciple at the lotus feet of Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. Who is this Jagannath Vipra? This Jagannath Vipra is the father of the great Narahari Chakravarti, who is the celebrated author of scriptures like Bhakti Ratnakar and Narottam Vilas. So in this way, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur fulfilled all the instructions of his spiritual master and acted as an ideal disciple.